Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We have successfully made it down to Wookies in the Woods 2024. Made it for a sunrise run this morning and happened to run into Brandon, our buddy with the supercharged Mark IV R32. This is our friend group's annual vacation that happens to be paired with tons of awesome cars, phenomenal roads, and a massive community of people who are pretty tight-knit that just genuinely enjoy driving their cars. It also actually marks the 1 year from when we started Slippy Grip. So we really hope you enjoy the footage, and I'll talk to you soon. So obviously the conditions so far are not great, but it is early in the week. More importantly though, why aren't you wearing any of the merch?
Oh, hold on, you want to retake that?
So hopefully conditions improve as the week goes on.
Yeah, the weather's kind of a drag right now, but you know what? I think we're going to find a way to make it work. This is how you make a road shot work. Come on. Elbow goes to center console. Hands, knife hands, cutting butter. Straight down to the yellow line. Boom. Dead center of the car. Go ahead, fact check me. Look at the back. Who's your daddy?
I don't know, dude. My car looks pretty centered too.
Yeah, but you don't have science backing you. Science.
So the weather really isn't letting up, but at least on the bright side, this brings incredible opportunities for footage. So as you guys can tell from some of the B-roll that we're providing around this segment of the video, the fog is insane. The cars look pretty darn good. This is where black cars shine, I feel.
We got up early, we wanted to get some footage in today. We were gonna go out to the Dragon, but it was a little too messy. Less than ideal driving situation. So we came out to the dam, and I mean, it really is, like, this is one of our favorite views here. We come here for a group photo every year, and I mean, you can see why. I mean, come on. That car looks like it just came from the factory. Cut to the B-roll. So the reason Casper's driving my car is that I haven't really had an opportunity to hear the exhaust from the outside so much. I heard it in the video that we made and there was a couple clips, but I don't really know. And I'm still on the fence whether I like it or not. So. All right, I think I'll keep it. That sounds crazy. It never gets easy.
So last night cleared up quite a bit, and we actually had a really nice time hanging out with a bunch of people with all their cars out down near the lodge, but as is tradition, something goes wrong with one of the cars. Looks fine to me.
This makes sense because I complimented a Porsche yesterday that had Advans on it, and I was like, oh, I love German cars with Japanese wheels. And so only an hour later, I get the nail. So it's a sign. Maybe I need to put some Jap wheels back on the M3. We found a tire shop in Marysville. They said they can repair it, no problem. I don't think that it's gonna get replaced.
I'm pretty sure they pronounce it Merville.
Merville. We will see what happens.
Danny went into town in order to get his tire repaired. So in the meantime, with the weather going back and forth, I decided to come down to one of the hangout spots to see if I can catch any really cool sounding cars for you guys. And I ran into a buddy, so check this out. Every year, Wookies is not Wookies without hatch rides.
Hey, I'll get you guys again. Little wave. Yeah.
So naturally, we get through the process of washing our cars because the weather was great, and now we are back at square one. Why do you keep wiping a car that's wet?
Perseverance. Perseverance through adversity, my friend. Act natural.
Look what he did. That's unnecessary.
No,
it was in a can. It was fine. Now it's all foam.
Angle.
No. Yeah, angle what?
Actually, it's really not foamy.
Angle yourself out of here. You made it all foam.
That's science.
Show me how to devour that dog, dude. That's that Wookiee sheep. Give me a spin. Skyler. High five, high five. Yeah!
What point is this?
I don't know.
You're supposed to know.
No, Dom is supposed to know. I know gens. I don't know
Get him on the
points.
phone.
Dot one or dot two?
Dot one.
Say you're sorry you didn't make it.
I'm sorry I couldn't make it.
You're 100% in Queens.
That was my old car.
All right, everybody, to your cars. It's sound off time.
I don't know how he does it. I don't know how he does it.
Who'd have thought, bro? Who'd have thought? And we got the clip.
I know, that's
This is gonna be great.
One of the coolest experiences of being part of this community, which for me is a first. For those of you that know me only from this channel, I had a car for an extended period of time that I sold. The driver is here.
Yo, bro, I'm pointing the camera at you.
Hold on a second.
Dude, I'm glad you're enjoying the car.
The car is amazing. I mean, I couldn't have bought a better car from a better person, honestly. I mean,
We totally,
Gassing him up.
we didn't pay him to say that, right?
Yeah, we didn't write the script.
It's like I never left, dude. 70K, a few track days, several Wookiees, and I'm just glad I went to somebody who gets to enjoy it in the same way that I did.
You know what I enjoy?
What?
Seeing how pasty white your arms look in this
All
camera.
right, dude. You know what?
You guys look like idiots. It's awesome.
We are idiots. It's fine. It's okay. That would be the perfect morning backdrop if his car wasn't in the way.
You're so rude. You're so rude. I'm so glad that this week with you is over and done with because
You'll see me.
no, I'm kind of sad about it. I'm pretty sad. This went by quick. This year went by real quick. We had a good time. Cars are packed up. And we're about to hit the road, head back to Pennsylvania. Give me my camera.
No, it really, I think this is the fastest one by far. I don't know where it went, but it was amazing. We got a ton of footage. We appreciate having you. Not much left to be said. We're heading home, so we'll see you in the next one.
Also, don't mind me. Exclusives.